Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily enlarge quick setting styles on CMF Phone 2 Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is basically scroll down to the control center. Now scroll a bit down even more, and now click this pen icon here. Now if you want to enlarge those styles, simply click on them, just like that. As you guys can see, now it's enlarged. This one, we made it smaller, but you guys know what I mean here. Now if you want to save it, then simply what you guys need to do is leave, and as you guys can see, everything is enlarged. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.